Things in my 500 square foot smart home that just makes sense part 4.
Yo guys, my last few videos have been on some pretty complex stuff, so for this one I want to show you guys one of the best starter smart home devices you can get. This thing will turn a lot of your normal devices into smart devices. It requires 0 existing smart home to set up. It works right out of the box. It'll integrate perfectly into any smart home you already have or any smart home you set up in the future. And the best part is it's pretty affordable compared to most smart devices. It also takes 0 hacking to get set up. In fact, I'm going to show you in this video right now, so let's get into it. So this is called an IR blaster. I'm gonna link this one in my bio if you guys are looking for more information. But basically what this acts as is a really, really smart universal remote. It lets you take anything that you already control with the remote. So in my case, I'm doing it for TVs, I'm doing it for fans that I have in my bedroom and living room, I'm doing it for my robot vacuum, but it'll work with anything that you control with a remote. Lets you program it into this device and then control it with your phone or with your smart home, allowing you to automate it and do with it as you please. Let me show you how that works. All right, so the first thing you have to do is plug this thing into power and make sure it's in view of the devices you want to control. I need to control my bedroom TV, which is down there, as well as my TV and my fan there and my robot vacuum in the corner. You'll see that they're all in range of the device. Next, we need to go into the app. I'm going to first show you how to control it from the app that comes with it, and then I'm going to show you how to control an app integrated with your smart home. Let's go over there. All right, so we're going to be using the Broadlink app here, which is the app for the IR blaster I have here, but all the other ones will have very similar apps. So we're gonna start by clicking in here, go through the basic setup process, all that first. Then we're gonna do is add a TV in here. Most TVs are gonna have all their buttons well defined. So we're gonna click add device at the top right, click remote controls here, IR RF devices. We're gonna select the device that we have set up. Then we're gonna search TV and basically just search the make and model. And after you do that, it'll be done and all the buttons will be pre-programmed. I'll show you once you do that. I just have them selected to just show my volume and power buttons because that's all I use on this app. And that's it. You tap those and it controls your TV. There's going to be cases though where your TV or device isn't supported in this app, and I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to again click at the top right here. Going to add a device. Then we're going to scroll down. And you're going to go to user defined here. This is going to let you pre-program different buttons into the device. So after you do that, you're going to be able to basically click the add button down here, and then we're going to be basically teaching it a button. So right now it's asking me to point the remote at the device. I'm going to push a button right now, and you'll see it's recognized the button. What it's then going to do is play the command back to the TV or whatever device you're trying to control, make sure that works. And then once you've done that, you're done setting up your button. You're then going to be able to name the button. Just going to name it here the exact one I pressed. Pretty simple. Start the fan, you could set the icon for the button, and then that's done. You all of a sudden set up your device that wasn't supported anywhere else before, and you can control it over your phone. Let me just show you how I have my fan set up here that wasn't supported. You can see the living room fan here. I got all the buttons here that I command it at will. All right, have to be quick here because we're going to run out of time, but to summarize what we just did, we told the device to listen to a command and we pushed the on-off button while pointing to it. It recognized that on-off button, and then we told it that command means turn on and off the fan. We're then able to execute the command from this device using our phone or smart home and have it send that on-off command over to the fan, and it will listen to us, basically turning into a smart fan. Once we have it set up in the app there, you can follow the directions in the app to put it into your smart home device, whether that's Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. I've already done that for Apple HomeKit here, so I'm gonna show you how it works. So now I could say something like, hey Siri, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Siri will listen to me. And just like that, the fan is turned on because we sent the device from there. The fan saw it as the remote command and turned on. We could even control some of the more nuanced stuff. Like we could say, hey Siri, turn the fan spin on.
Okay.
And just like that, we can do things like oscillate the fan. Once we have these commands in Siri and our home automation controls, we can automate it and do plenty of things with these traditional stupid devices that are now smart. So these guys are one of the best devices to get started in a smart home and really a good addition to any smart home at all. They're super, super cheap and they'll get you up and running in a matter of minutes. I'll put this exact one in the link in my bio, but there's plenty of them out there. Just search IR Blaster and you'll find lots of them. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching, guys.